It's just a quick video to say sorry I didn't get to do a video last week, and I'm probably not going to be able to get to do one this week. A few weeks ago, excuse me and the wife caught COVID, and as you can see, it's left me with a lot of phlegm and a cough, so I've got to limit the amount of speaking that I do. The wife's very pleased about that, so apologies for that. Anybody who's sent me a request to do a tutorial, I promise you I will get round to doing them. Please bear with me. Thank you for your patience. Hopefully I'll be back soon.